Arang-arang.
누나야?
응?
누나야?
누나. 이거 뭡니까? 거치야. 거치 알아? 거치는 it's like a mochi. It's like pork.
떡. 떡.
떡떡떡.
I don't like mochi.
왜? 맛있어.
맛이 없어.
There's banana.
It's
On
like
top.
cake pisang.
And
But it's in like a cupcake, like a bite size.
not really a bite size. 2 bites.
Are you stupid or something?
A bite is 1 bite, right?
Did I say one bite size? I said bite size. If you buy like snacks, bite size, is it like really 1 bite?
Can be. Some people eat in 1 bite.
Okay,
Some people eat in 2 bites. Some
That's
people
one,
3
eh?
bites. Some people 4 bites.
so it's still bite size. Do you think we look like? You don't think? Yeah, we don't think so.
She used to wear specs like us, but she did less.
Mungkin
Lazy.
Aina dengan kakak Anis.
Siapa Aina kakak Anis?
Moya. Sama ke?
Tak.
You serious?
But she did her LASIK and left us.
Ini macam kek pisang.
Who can fit this in 1 bite?
See, it's bite size. So we are going for some nature walk. 아, 우리 집으로 가자 이거야. 뭐 있어?
뭡니까 여러분?
오이, 아,
이거 뭡니까?
what is this? 오이,
It's patangnya. 근데 하간이야.
빨간색. What boy is this? Tingkus.
Single or husband and wife is I don't know which one is jantan betina. Hai jantan.
Takut dia flyer.
Ani
There's also boy. Yeah, that boy. Look at what boy is that also. 떨어지면 안 돼.
Keren. Kembali kita kepada
Coba tekan ibu apa? Coba tekan ibu apa? Just now, the place that we were eating, it's over there. We walked all the way through until here.
So there's the 2 houses over there. We were just there just now, so we went around like that. And then if you look on my left, so we have that is our initial house. What mate? What Abah mate? House over there. And then there's another rest house over here. So you can choose whichever house you want to rest in.
Which one do you choose? What is this? That's the house that we talked about over there. Over there. Kadang-kadang saya kena gigit pacat tadi. Tapi yang kat belakang, masa saya nak letak gambar dia, saya kena gigit pacat tadi. Dia tak gigit lagi lah.
Tak, tapi
Masanya dia,
tetapi
aku
dia
macam,
kakinya.
pacat. Lepas tu dia, tak marah. Marah pula aku.
Okay, let me justify myself. So it's like this. You are panicking. And you're like slapping that thing around across the world. Like, so, and I'm also afraid of that thing called pacat. So if you do that, how can I help you? By taking it, what do you mean? It's like this small. It's gonna take your bad blood. So it's good.
Oh, jadi kau nak aku cari pacat masuk bayi kat kau lah?
I don't want to have that experience, but you are one of the rare person to get
Kau
a
tak payah nak
pacat
rare
attached to
sangat.
your car.
Yeah, that's her justification. And my justification was I was like, pacat. She's jangan lah.
She's like this, you know. She's like this, like that.
Kalau ada pacat aku, jangan lah. Macam tu
I
je.
suggest.
Masih lemak muka.
Tak nak.
Dek, apa? Macam mana dia punya tu? Dek, duk habis. Ke raya ni. Jangan toksik lah.
Tak set.